I guess today is the day. We'll have to wait and see.
Today is the day.
Yeah.
And you know what? Tonight we're going to be dealing with a chance for snow.
Oh, great.
So a lot of things we're going to be watching for sure as we head into the next few hours. Happy Easter Sunday, everybody. Storm Scan 3 showing we have clouds that are in place, and they're going to stay in place through at least the first part of your day. We could even see a stray sprinkle. No need to cancel any morning plans. You'll be just fine. And I think most Easter egg hunts are going to be dry as well. We have a weak frontal boundary that's going to be swinging on through. And then I'll zoom you out to the wider view of Storm Scan 3, and we look out to our west over on Nebraska. That's the snow that we're going to be tracking as we head into the overnight hours tonight and into, I know, Monday. Yeah, it's just crazy that we're still talking about snow in the forecast, even though we're now officially in April. 45 degrees right now in Philadelphia. It's 45 in Wilmington. We're at 49 down into Dover. Temperatures are pretty consistent and uniform across the region in the 40s. We're at 47 in Atlantic City, 48 in Wildwood. We have 47 up into Allentown. It's even 40 degrees in the Poconos. We are a lot milder compared to this time yesterday morning because we have the cloud cover in place. Remember, yesterday we had that southwesterly winds that helped to filter in some very seasonable air for us. Ended up being a very nice afternoon yesterday. 45 into Mullica Hill and Media. It's 48 in Westchester. We have 47 degrees in Palmyra, 45 in Mount Holly. We're starting out your morning in Doylestown this Easter morning at 46 degrees. Here's a look at the winds. Still coming out of the south in Philadelphia, around 6 miles per hour. We'll see the wind shifting a little bit more out of the west today, and it will turn breezy, especially later on this afternoon. But it should be a very nice afternoon. Some breaks of sunshine expected. 61 degrees for the high temperature this Easter Sunday. Not nearly as warm as last year, but kind of on board and pretty close to what we dealt with in 2015 as well as 2016. Let's talk about how things pan out with our future weather now. You can see the cloud cover continuing to stick around. Even by noontime, we'll deal with the cloud cover right in and around Philadelphia, but areas north and west into Allentown, the Poconos, really starting to break out with some good sunshine. A lot of us dealing with sunshine before the sun sets this Easter Sunday, and then more clouds, guess what, move in as we head into the overnight hours tonight, and that's going to occur out ahead of this next system that we are going to be tracking that will indeed bring many locations a bit of snow. So we'll expect things to kind of start to get going in our north and western suburbs by about 3 o'clock in the morning. Then everybody transitioning over to snow during the morning commute, and we could be dealing with some very poor visibility. The snow could come down at a pretty fast clip, but the good news is it gets out of here very quickly by about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. And you know what? We break out with some sunshine once again. Temperatures rise well above freezing, and a lot of what falls is going to end up melting. So I think the roads generally are going to stay mainly wet rather than white. So mainly snow up into the Lehigh Valley, the Poconos, rain and a mix right along I-95 and portions of northern Delaware. Places like Cape May County, Dover, areas south, we're talking about just mainly rain. So here's what you can expect: a fast-moving system, a wintry mix in snow. It's going to be heavy at times. The time frame, we're talking about 3 a.m. to 10 a.m. and a winter weather advisory has been issued. So today we're looking at high temperatures in the 40s in the Poconos to the 60s in Philadelphia. You're looking at a high temperature in Philly right around 61 degrees. We'll talk more about snowfall totals coming up in the next half hour. Over to you.
All right, Chelsea.